Welcome to Reading and Writing Refuge. My name is Heather, and I'm somewhat still new to content creation. I do have a gardening channel, different channel name, that I've been running for exactly 2 years. But things are kind of shifting in my life a little bit, and I have felt a desire to kind of go back to some things that I had passion for in the past that I lost my way with. And one of those, well, two of those, reading. I used to be addicted to reading. It was literally an obsession. I would read 120, 150 books a year for several years. And then I think I burnt myself out on that. And I've done writing. I think I delved deep into that as well. For over 10 years, I immersed myself completely in writing. And it was therapeutic. Both reading was therapeutic at a certain time in my life. Writing was extremely cathartic and therapeutic. And it did get me through some really hard times. And then somewhere along the way, in the last, let's say, 4 to 6 years, something changed. And I kind of know, and we'll talk about that in a different video. This is kind of just an intro video of what my channel is and why I'm here. I want to fall back in love with writing. I want to read again for pleasure instead of feeling like I have to get this audiobook done for book club. I do run a book club. I used to run a writing group. I have a birthday that just happened, and now I'm 50. 50 years old. So I'm kind of feeling that sense of time is just so quickly passing. There's transition. So there's a whole nother topic, but that is a reflective part of life that could really benefit from some release, and writing for me is a very cathartic way. So the point of this channel is going to be to help me fall back in love with reading and writing, to let that be my refuge for when life is just a little too much and I need to kind of take a breath and reflect and look at those thoughts, look at the feelings. How can I express them creatively? I want to take you on that kind of journey with me, just in case there's people that want to do the same. Maybe you want to write, maybe you want to fall back in love with reading, but I'm going to use this outlet, this creative medium that has been created, YouTube, to kind of encourage me and hopefully encourage you as well, I hope, to get back on the page, either by reading it or writing your truth, writing your fiction, which is often truth. We'll get into that too. There's just so much I want to delve back into. Please, I hope you're here to be encouraging. And I will do the same for you. Feel free to comment. I do read my comments and post the responses myself. I'm a small YouTuber. My other channel is just, it's like maybe 1,500 subscribers, but it's a lot of great people that have been so encouraging over the last 2 years. So I'm hoping to kind of get that vibe going here with the reading and the writing. And this is a laid back channel. I'm going to post when I can find time to post. You will see me probably in gardening clothing, sometimes messy hair, like today. I'm just keeping it real. When you get past the big 5-0, you have to keep things real. I mean, life is super short. So that's what you'll receive from me. Encouragement, truth, realism, and I'll try to share what I have learned about writing. Over that decade of me really being immersed and studying. I do not have an MFA. There was a time I had thought about pursuing that. I really have no interest at this point, but I took multiple writing classes. I ran my writing group for 5-7 years. We had a writing group with workshopping and critiquing. I've been active in different organizations for writing and just really delving in, like teaching myself multiple books, online classes, so forth. So you don't need an MFA to write. You don't really need anything but wanting to be true and honest and to put those words onto the paper. And in this age of AI, we need more people who can be real people and really sharing the nuances of emotion. And that to me is what art, writing is emotion. So I'm glad you're here. I hope you'll come back. And I'm also going to talk about books. Anyways, guys, I'm glad you're here. If I didn't already say, my name is Heather. I think I did. And if you want to check my gardening channel, it's tomatoes and poppies and everything gardening. And I'll link that as well. But I don't know. I don't know how often I'll post. Maybe in this month it'll be more frequent because I'm really trying to push myself, immerse myself into that reading and writing again. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.